Thinking about booking a balcony Aurea cabin on the MSC Seashore? Let me show you exactly what you get, because this cabin really surprised me. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley Neal. Today we're going to get a full review of the Aurea balcony cabin on board the MSC Seashore. If you're wondering whether the Aurea package is worth it, stay tuned because we're going to review this. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice the modern, sleek design MSC is known for. The closet space is decent, 2 full wardrobes with shelves and hanging section. If you're packing heavy, you might need to get creative, but for a long week sailing, it does work. We had in this cabin 1 queen bed, and also our couch turned into a bunk bed as our kids were with us. The main sleeping area, the bed was firm but comfortable, and I love that the Aurea cabins come with upgraded sheets and pillows. The desk area is compact but functional, with outlets for both European and US plugs. Now the best part, the balcony. It's spacious with 2 chairs and a table, and the views from the MSC Seashore are incredible because of how low the ship sits in the water. Now for the bathroom, it's surprisingly stylish with glass doors in the shower and pretty good water pressure. And with the Aurea package, you actually get upgraded shampoos, toiletries, and soap. Also, it comes with a diffuser you can use in your room as well. Overall, the balcony Aurea cabin on the MSC Seashore really feels like a luxury experience without that luxury price tag. If you're someone that enjoys the private areas, a few different perks such as priority boarding or specialty dining times, this may be worth a look. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, if you've sailed on the MSC ships in an Aurea cabin, please leave in the comments below things that you liked and disliked about this experience, and if you feel that it was worth the upgrade. See you next time.